ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ವಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಫಾರ್ 1040 he said 10
Only thing is
ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you can.
Hi. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please send the same link in my email also.
Yes, sir. We'll send it now, sir.
Because I'll have to connect both the this one.
Yes, sir. It is being sent now. Shortly you'll receive, sir, in 2 seconds. I request all the participants to mute yourself, both audio and video, please. We'll just shortly we'll start with the session. Please mute yourself, both audio and video. I request all.
I'm waiting for the mail so that. If
Sir,
you can
mail has
hear
been sent, sir. Please check, sir. Mail has been sent. Mail has been sent, sir. Please check. I request all the participants to mute yourself, both audio and video.
If you want to
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು
Sir, please clarify the meeting, sir. What is going on? I don't know, sir.
Dear participants, so within 5 minutes we'll start the session. Within 5 minutes we are going to start the session.
Within 5 minutes, we are going to start this.
Yes, sir.
డాడీ చెప్పు డాడీ చెప్పండి అపార్ట్మెంట్ వచ్చింది
This is not clear.
చెప్పు అంటుంది
Good morning, everyone. I, Geeta Bindi, Department of Botany, PC Javin Science College, Autonomous Hubli, who is privileged to direct you to the IKSC initiated national webinar on fitness and wellness for sports and COVID-19, organized by Department of Physical Education and Sports in collaboration with Physical Education Foundation of India, Karnataka. Chapter 1, recognized by Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. I request our beloved principal, Dr. L.D. Horkeri, to welcome the honorable resource person and participants. Please, sir.
Yes, madam. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning to you all. KLE Society is one of the premier educational institution. Society started in the year 1916 by 7 dedicated teachers, whom we respectfully call them as the Saptarshis. Now the society is running 272 educational institutions all around the globe under the able and strong leadership of our Honorable Chairman, Sir, Dr. Prabhakar Koreji, which is well supported by Board of Management, Life Members Body, Executive Body of KLE Society, Belgavi. PC Job in Science Autonomous College is a prestigious college of North Karnataka run by KLE Society, Belgavi. So on behalf of Department of Physical Education and Sports of our college, in collaboration with the Physical Education Foundation of India, we are organizing this webinar that is national webinar initiated by IQAC of our college on fitness and wellness for sports and COVID-19. So on this occasion, it gives me a great pleasure to welcome all the 4 resource persons.
Good morning.
Eminent resource persons, Dr. Piyush Jain, Dr. Yogeshwar Goswami, Dr. D. Maniagalu, and Sri Srikant R. So all the eminent 4 resource persons, wholeheartedly I extend a sincere and warm welcome to all of them. And I extend a sincere and warm welcome to all the delegates who have participated in this webinar. And at the same time, I would like to extend my sincere welcome to all the faculty members who are taking part in this national webinar. With this, once again, I extend a sincere and warm welcome to you all. Thank you one and all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your welcome words. So resource persons of today's webinar are Honorable Dr. Piyush Jain, Honorable Dr. Yogeshwar Goswami, Honorable Dr. Maniagal, and Honorable Sri Srikant. So first resource person, Dr. Piyush Jain, National Secretary of Physical Education Foundation of India, New Delhi. So I request Dr. Piyush Jain, sir, to address the participants and gathering. Please, sir.
Hello, good morning to all of you. I'm audible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah.
Video.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, but video is not coming, sir. Video.
Okay, just
Yes, sir.
it's coming now.
Not yet, sir. Yes, sir.
I think now it's okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please address the gathering, sir.
Yeah. So good morning to all of you, and I'm very thankful to PC Javin Science College, Hubli, Department of Physical Education and Sports, for inviting me in this national webinar on fitness and wellness for sports and COVID-19, jointly organized with PAFI Karnataka chapter. As you all know that Physical Education Foundation of India is a national level body for physical education teacher and sports coaches. We have more than 40,000 members all over India, and it's a duly recognized by the Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. And I'm very proud that PAFI Karnataka chapter is doing a good job for promoting physical education and sports in Karnataka. We have with us the dignitary guest, our today's speakers, Dr. Yogeshwar Goswami ji, who is the Associate Professor in Amity University, and Dr. Mania Jhagu. Both are the eminent physical education personality with having physical education. It's a good background. So the today's topic regarding this wellness for sports and COVID-19. Just think about 3 or 4 months back when there was no COVID. Nobody was talking about the immunity. Nobody was talking about the wellness, and nobody was talking about the importance of physical education. After this COVID-19, everybody is talking about the immunity because COVID-19 is not affected the person who is having a better immunity. So in my idea that a good physical educator, a sports coach is having a better immunity and he can fight COVID-19 with his immunity. So on this occasion, to inaugural address of this PC Javin Science College, this national webinar, I am very much thankful to all the organizers for organizing such type of webinars, because this is a very high time for the physical education fraternity. Because in everywhere in India, everybody is talking about the physical education, sports, yoga, wellness, and fitness. So all the physical education teacher who is listening me, watching me, they can take the advantage from the challenges. In my word, it's an opportunity from challenges. Challenge is COVID-19 and opportunity is that now everybody is talking about the physical education. Everybody is talking about the fitness, wellness, immunity. So physical education teacher can work as a health educator. He or she can work in society as a health management expert. You can take the opportunity from these challenges that only physical education teacher can help the society to fight this COVID-19. You all will agree with me on this topic that physical education teacher, sports coach having a better immunity. So I request to all the physical education teacher to give your best in your surroundings. Now we are facing the problem of COVID-19 that everywhere is in the schools, colleges are forcibly locked down. Nothing is open and we are living with a social distancing. And not only this, that we are facing the COVID-19 problem, physical education and sports is a ground activity. It's a activity on the ground, field, sports field, open area. And it's also closed due to government norms. Even gyms are closed, yoga centers are closed. But you all physical education teacher is attending such type of webinars daily. Think about the 2 points that how we can convert our syllabus online activities, how we can develop the online programs for the sports and physical education. Because if this scenario will continue up to December, then what physical education teacher will do? What sports coach will do? During this webinar, I think I'm very confident that Dr. Yogeshwar Goswami and your resource person, Dr. Manya Jhagu, will give a very good impact this about fitness and wellness for sports and COVID-19. But little bit different, I appeal to all the physical education teacher, sports coaches, that you all should work on these some of the topics, that how you can contribute the online activities. Recently, I was in the meeting of Board of Studies in some of the university in Maharashtra, So they were also trying to convert some syllabus in online BPEd and MPEd syllabus. So it's a very high time, and I request to each and everyone who is present here that you can come and be a part of the solution. How this physical education and sports can survive in this scenario of COVID-19. And once again, I congratulate Dr. Prabhakaran Rao ji, Dr. Ravi Kumar ji, our PAFI Karnataka Secretary, Dr. R. Srikant ji, for inviting me in this conference, in this webinar. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Sir told to increase the immunity for participants on to help the society. Sir told also to physical education teachers.
Madam, you can
to take
ask
online classes.
everyone to mute, or else you have the option to mute everyone's this one.
All participants, I am requesting you to mute.
Madam, even you can mute everyone's audio. You have option. Please mute.
Only chart only, man. Chart.
Yes, I would like to introduce next resource person. First technical session will start now. Honorable Dr. Jogeshwar Goswami, Assistant Director, Amity School of Physical Education and Sports Science, Amity University, Noida. He has 24 years of teaching and administrative experience in the field of physical education and sports, working as Assistant Director at Amity School and Associate Professor at Amity School of Physical Education. He has won 3 national medals in gymnastics and aerobics, 2 times Assam State Champion in gymnastics with more than 20 individual medals. He authored 16 books in physical education and sports. As a trainer, conducted 35 teaching training workshops all over the country, conducted training program for Ranji Trophy players and also SAI coaches for Tripura. As a resource person and examined many universities throughout the country, he conducted 18 webinars, national and international. He is also a musician, play more than 30 musical instruments and produced 2 popular albums under T series and Times Music and performed throughout India. Now, I request Honorable Dr. Jogeshwar Goswami to start the session, sir. Please, sir.
Am I audible? Good morning, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I request you to mute everyone because there is an option with you, ma'am, to mute all the participants. If you can mute all the participants, then there will not be any disturbance.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Please, participants, all of you mute.
Can you hear me, ma'am? Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you'll have to make me the presenter also to share my screen. Then only I will be able to share my screen. Just make me the present. Just make me the presenter so that I can.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Done.
Okay. Still, it is not
Yes.
It is done.
showing.
It has done, sir.
I am logging out from my, logging in from my mobile and my computer. Please make my computer as a host.
Okay, sir. It has done, sir.
Just
Already I've done, sir.
you must have done my mobile as a host. I am sharing my PPT from the computer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
So
I have two logins, one from my mobile and one from my computer. So please,
Sir, can you tell me the name of the computer, sir?
is Jogeshwar Goswami. Dell. It is coming as Dell Jogeshwar Goswami. Dr.
Sir,
Jogi.
sorry, sir. What is the name?
It is the name of the computer is Dell. It might be coming as Dr. Jogi or Jogeshwar Goswami.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Sir, you please make that Dr. Jogi as a host. It is in your control, sir, now, because you are already a host in Dr.
Host disable participant screen sharing.
Please
Here it is
click
written
on Dr. Jogi.
Jogi
Click
sir.
on Dr. Jogi.
Yes,
You
please.
can just right click and make yourself a
Jogi
host.
sir, now you are the host.
Yeah.
Sorry.
आप होस्ट हो जोगी सर, आप खुद करो, वो यहाँ से नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, fine. Hide hide self view, rename, start video.
आगा क्या लगवा है, लगा दूसरी यही है क्या?
Okay, the screen. Is actually the screen is not sharing. Your hide self.
Sir,
Have you seen the video?
मिनट लगेगी ना चलना.
Have you seen the video where?
No,
where,
sir, no, sir.
इससे समझने में गलती होगी थी.
One video is hazy and one video is clear. Please make the hazy video. That's from my computer. This hazy video is from my computer.
समझाना.
You'll have to enable me. You do one thing. You just.
Sir, at present, you are the
participant.
host. At present, you are the host. You please do that Dr. Jogi as a host.
नहीं भी मैं पुआ दिए.
It's in your control, sir.
Yeah. I have seen. It is only video uploadation is not coming up.
No, sir. Please share the screen. Go to share option. Share screen.
Yeah.
There you can select.
Yeah, I have gone to the share screen. It is written host, disable participants, screen sharing. You can enable all participants screen sharing. Then it will come.
No, पूरे पे.
Just enable all participants screen
share.
share.
ऊपर कुछ नीचे पेंट भी हो जाएगा. नीचे पेंट भी हो जाएगा. क्या मर्जी लगवा लो. इनके ऊपर लगेगी.
This one?
तो अपने आप बता देंगे.
जोगी सर.
Yes, please.
इसमें सिर्फ आप ही होस्ट दिख रहे हो.
होस्ट दिख रहे हैं लेकिन शेयरिंग ऑप्शन में आ रहा है दी होस्ट डिसेबल्ड पार्टिसिपेंट्स स्क्रीन शेयरिंग.
होस्ट डिसेबल तो आप करो ना स्क्रीन शेयर
Sir,
को.
you are the host. You are the host. You please allow, sir.
No, that is okay, but I am not getting the option to go for the this one. Unable.
Otherwise, mobile. Sir, you can please come out of the mobile logged in, no, sir?
No,
please leave that.
Mobile login.
Sir.
The video will not come and the sound will also not come. I'll have to log in from both the things. That is the main thing.
It is not possible, sir.
No, it is possible. You just do one thing. You you also become a host and you make me enable to share my video. That's all. You also become a host. You become a host and you enable me to share the video. I want one of you to become a host also.
जोगी सर,
Yes, please.
आप एक काम करो, आप क्योंकि आप ही केवल होस्ट दिख रहे हो, आप मुझे को होस्ट बनाओ ना।
मैं ऐसे नहीं बना पा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है। होता तो मैं खुद ही बना दे।
हाँ, वो मुझे क्या लग रहा है कि इसमें एक ही होस्ट का ऑप्शन है और वो होस्ट आप ही हो।
नहीं, इसमें फिर
Yes sir, correct sir. There is only one host is possible and that is you, sir.
But only thing is,
जब हम मोबाइल फोन से जब हम सेल फोन से यूज करते हैं तब हमें ये केवल होस्ट का ऑप्शन आता है। जब हम लैपटॉप से यूज करते हैं तो हमें वो को होस्ट की अथॉरिटी मिलती है, हम को होस्ट बना सकते हैं। अगर मोबाइल फोन से यूज कर रहे हैं तो उसका ऑप्शन नहीं आएगा सर।
There is only one host for this, sir.
Actually, you have made my mobile phone as a host. You make my computer as a host.
तो आप खुद ही अपने कंप्यूटर को होस्ट बनाओ सर।
नहीं, वो वहां से होगा, फ्यूज वहां से होगा।
नहीं सर।
They have made me my computer as a host.
सर वो आपके ही मोबाइल से होगा।
मेरे मोबाइल से होगा?
हाँ जी, क्योंकि आपका मोबाइल होस्ट है, आपने वहां से
लॉगिन किया। आप ही होस्ट हो इस वक्त।
Participants, stop video, mute, share. If I am the host, then disconnect, enable original sound, meeting setting, chat. No option is coming here as to make somebody as a host. In my mobile also it is not.
Sir, meeting setting पे जाइए sir, meeting setting.
Meeting setting पे yes.
On there. Participant में जाइए, participant.
Okay, I have gone to the meeting settings, share screen, chat with, rename themselves, unmute themselves, play, join, meeting topic, mute, show my video, show.
Join पे देखिए सर, join पे.
थोड़ी सारी अच्छी लग रहा है।
Play, join and leave sound.
No.
No, this is not there. The option is not coming here. Share screen, waiting room, lock meeting.
No.
Mute one entry, show my video, show non-video participants, show name. Actually, you have made my mobile host. You should make the computer as host. My computer login, please make me as host. Then I'll be able to do that.
अगर प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा है तो आप दोबारा से मीटिंग शेड्यूल कर सकते हैं।
Sir, you are using laptop, sir.
भेज दीजिए तो फिर हम दोबारा लॉगिन
करेंगे। Make my laptop as a host. I'm using mobile.
That you can do, sir.
Dr. Jogi, if you could just check down below on your laptop,
Yeah.
you will have participants, chats, share screen, record, and reactions.
Yes.
Go to participants. And
Go to participants, yes.
Yes, and right on top you will put your name, which suggests post.
Sir, you please come out of mobile and start with the laptop only, no, sir.
Right.
Okay, I got it.
Sir, you can share your screen, then ma'am can guide you properly.
And it shows
Okay, I got it. My here it is showing rename.
yes, so just rename yourself. Once you're done with that, then you try and go down to your mute and start video setting.
ಇನ್ನು ಸಂಜೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್
Okay. I have renamed as Dr. Jogi.
Yes, so it's visible to us.
Yes.
Your computer is visible to us.
Yes.
What you do next is you go down to the share screen button, which is on the lower end.
Yes. Host disable participant screen sharing.
Yes, that's right. If you do that, automatically your screen will switch.
It is showing host disabled participant screen sharing. I need to make it enable.
Yes, so just do one thing.
Sir.
Log out from your phone and
Sir.
all audible to us and you are visible.
I'll log out from my phone.
Yes, just please do that.
Okay.
Yes, you are visible to us and we can see you as well.
But I have logged out from my phone.
Yes, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Now from if you notice, now if you go back to the participants, you are the host.
I am the host. It's still showing that. Yeah. Main problem is it is still showing I am the host.
Yes, if you are the host, so now you can go to share screen. And as the host,
I can understand the problem. I am the host in the this one. What do you say?
On your phone.
जोगी सर,
Yes.
आप डॉक्टर जोगी पे क्लिक कीजिए और उसको होस्ट बना दीजिए.
Okay,
Jogi, and make them host.
do me a favor. Can you go scroll down to my name, Vandana, the host?
Vandana, yes. Yes, sir.
Make me the host so I can change the setting for you and bring Vandana. Are you able to?
Ma'am, I think it's leave the meeting. Automatically, host will change.
No, the thing is that if he leaves the meeting, the second person, whoever is in that, become the host. So if one of you are the host, just make me the host and I can fix the problem quickly.
Okay. Everyone can hear me?
Yes, doctor, we can hear you. Are you able to check the participants now?
I think I'll start I think I will start without the PPT, not a problem. If you can see me, then it is okay.
We can see you, doctor. That's not an issue.
Okay. Fine. It's okay. Okay.
So as a host, you can
only thing is I want everybody to be muted.
So if you
completely I'm very sorry for that.
Okay, can everybody hear me? The participants? Yeah, please.
Everybody else speak.
Somebody is speaking.
Yes. Make me the host and I can.
Internet based
I am not being able to make you a host. That's the main problem.
Ma'am, tell to sir, please present their screen.
Pop up all the way down.
Then might be help.
Yeah.
My name. If you go on it also, able to see 3 dots.
Yes.
Yes. So if you see those 3 dots, on the 3 dots, you can click on that, and it should show you or mute my rename.
It is showing a save chat.
No 3 dots by the side of it.
Yes.
Yes. So just what are the options you have?
Oh, the only it is showing save chat.
ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್. ಸೆಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರೆ.
ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೈ ಬಿಡೋ ಚಲೋ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ
That's the main problem.
Leave the meeting in trial again.
I'll start the presentation without the PPT. Can everybody be kept mute?
ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಕಾರ ಲಾಗೌಟ್ ಆಕಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದವರು.
Client request to even the host, your screens, your
actually correct participation ಆಗೋದು ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ದಾಗ ಲಿಟರರಿ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ದಾಗ ಏನಕೈತಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಏನಕೈತಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಚಾಲು ಐತಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಚಾಲು ಐತಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಲಿಟರರಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಚಾಲು ಏನು ಮುಗಿತಿರದ ಆಗ ಒಂದಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್
ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇವ್ರು ಇವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾರ.
COVID-19 ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಏನೈತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ COVID-19
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆಲ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ
Dr. Vishwa, can you hear me? Dr. Vishwa, can you hear me?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದವ್ರ ಅದ. ನಮ್ದು ಏನಕ್ಕೈತಿ
ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ನಾವು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ.
Can you share your screen? Is it possible? Actually, your voice is not coming. You are not audible.
Ravi, can you hear me?
ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು. ಜರ್ನಲಿಸಂ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನು ಹೊರಗೆ
Organizer, please unmute your audio.
Abhay Kumar, can you mute your video? Unmute your
ಜಯಂತ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಗಾಯ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರೀ, ಜಯಂತ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರೀ, ವಿರಾಜ್ ರೀ.